We are Positivity Global Coaching. We offer tools so you can manifest yourself and change your world in your own way. Learn about our coaching, certifications, and diagnostics. Modern medicine often focuses on the patient as a set of symptoms, missing the human behind them. This distinction is crucial, as it affects how care is delivered. Recognizing the person, not just the patient, can transform healthcare interactions and outcomes. In consultations, two realities emerge: the patient, represented by data, and the human, defined by context. While data is essential, neglecting the human aspect can lead to a loss of meaningful care. Balancing both is key to effective healthcare. This observation highlights a structural issue in medical training. While precision and protocol adherence are necessary, they often overshadow the need for presence and understanding of emotional complexities. Addressing this imbalance is crucial for holistic care. Clinicians are trained to treat conditions, but often lose the ability to relate to the individuals carrying them. This creates a competency gap, where scientific expertise is not matched by relational skills, impacting patient care and satisfaction. Soft variables like beliefs, emotional state, and social support are critical drivers of recovery. Despite being seen as peripheral, they significantly influence clinical outcomes. Integrating these factors into care can enhance treatment effectiveness. Transitioning from transactional to relational understanding in healthcare deepens trust and shared responsibility. Listening to understand the person, not just the symptoms, fosters a more collaborative and effective patient-clinician relationship. Orientation, not duration, is key in healthcare interactions. It's about shifting from being an expert who fixes to a professional who accompanies. This change in approach can cultivate understanding and improve patient compliance and outcomes. An anthropocentric approach in healthcare enhances scientific rigor by acknowledging the interconnectedness of body, mind, and context. This holistic view provides a more accurate data set, making medical science more effective and comprehensive. Relational thinning, or the reduction of human connection in healthcare, contributes to professional burnout. Treating humans as cases diminishes the personal fulfillment of healthcare providers. Rediscovering humanity in patients can rejuvenate their own. Medicine requires not less science, but more presence. Integrating high-tech capabilities with high-touch awareness ensures that patients feel seen and heard. This balance is essential for successful healthcare outcomes and patient satisfaction. The most radical act in healthcare is the courage to truly see the person in front of you. Beyond technology, acknowledging the individual's humanity can transform care, reminding us that patients are more than their conditions. This study was developed by Angelos Lopez, MCC and Master Practitioner for Positivity Global Coaching. We offer tools to help you change your world in your own way. Visit us at positivityglobal.org and learn about our coaching, certifications, and diagnostics.